Welcome to our latest installation today. For our good clients, we're here in Newmarket. This is our current project that is being installed today. So as you can see, the front door has been removed. You can see we take great care in our clients' homes and our process of installation. All floors get covered, everything gets clean, everything gets taken care of. You can see our window is now in place. This was originally a 3-piece window that is now a 2-piece, creating a much nicer effect and a much greater look.